Hi guys, I'm Lily. I'm a KMS stylist and today I want to show you my favorite hero product, which is the CURLUP Perfecting Lotion. And I'm just going to show you how I work it in my half-dry hair. Just about 2 is enough. And I love this product because it moisturizes my hair and gives me a good frizz control. And after I applied it everywhere, I diffuse with the Varis diffuser till it's dry. As you can see, my curls have dried and I absolutely love it. We got more definition and I'm just gonna shake it up to get a more relaxed, cool effect. Now we got my easy everyday curl routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, hope you like it and follow for more.